Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Georgia. So we're currently here at DOL Georgia Gov's official webpage. And here you can see the required documents that you need to gather and have with you before you can proceed with your application. And that includes your social security number, valid and unexpired government issued picture identification. You must also have your employer issued separation notice or letter if available. You must also have names, addresses, and dates of employment of all employers for the last 18 months. Now, for non citizens, you must have your alien number and expiration date. You must also have your SF50 or SF8 form and pay stubs for federal employment. So, this is only applicable for those who worked in the federal government. You must also have the most recent DD 214, orders to report or off release, military earnings. But of course, this is only applicable for those who worked in the military. Next, you must also have your personal banking account and routing number. This is for direct deposit purposes. And lastly, you must have a copy of your most recently filed income tax return if you're applying for disaster unemployment assistance and you are self employed or a farmer. Now, once you have all the documents required, you can now proceed with your application. Now, you can apply online using the interactive voice response system. Just follow this link and here is the hotline that you can contact specifically for system to access locations of GDOL career centers, establish a PIN and password for unemployment insurance, claim weekly unemployment benefits, or inquire about weekly unemployment payments. Here you can also see the application form. So another way to apply is by filling this out. So just click on the link and this will automatically be downloaded. And here all you have to do is fill out this form. Make sure that you provide details accurately. You will then submit it to the nearest state office near your location. Lastly, you can also file a claim by contacting their telephone number. And here are the two hotlines that you can reach out for them to be able to assist you further with your application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!